Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome you again. Today I'm going to completely unbox and show you the experience with the smart bulbs. So, this is the package I received via Flipkart. As always, we shall remove the box and let's check how's the packaging, and I will also share you the cost price in this as you have already noted in the thumbnail. So, no problem. I will show you the box specifications which are listed in this box, and this you can see these are all the key features of this smart bulb. So let us unwrap this plastic so that we will have a hands on our the product inside. The packaging was very simple, I would say, without much wastage like some other brands do nowadays. Like they will so the bulb itself. So I purchased 7 watts bulb. So first time I am turning on, and I will completely set up in the phone also. I will show you. So for this video I bought a holder like thing, as you can see in the video. I will insert the bulb in the holder, and I will place the holder in extension board just for this video purpose, but you can plug this bulb in normal holder itself, no issues. So first we have to download a app known as Smidge, My Smidge, as you can see in the screen. So install it. After installing it, we have to sign up or sign in if you have already a Smidge account. So yeah, we will open this. So I turned on the bulb, which will eventually lit up. So here it is asking for sign in or sign up. So me sign in account, so I will just sign up. So after giving the necessary details, it asks for us which is our product. As Smidge releases many product like extension boards and anything, so I selected the smart bulb. So it asks for our further process. So it asks Wi-Fi. So everything completely setups. It directly configures, and voila, it's completely set up. So here it is, the main UI of this app. You can control the brightness, light, colors, and many things. Even you can switch on or off via app itself. Also there are some pre-effects which I will show you later. So this is the user manual. I will keep is as a reference. As you can see, if I change the color changes. You can see in my hand. So this is the some pre-effects in which one is random. The random color will generate random colors automatically. It will flash, will I mean will activate once. The next is strobe. The strobe color is, it will constantly blink dark green color. And the next one is candle effect. The candle effect will glow like candle, you will see. So as I told you, you can look it in my hands. So yeah, that's it in this app. So I have taken some of the sample pictures for your view. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't, and if you have any queries and suggestion, feel free to comment down below. If you like my work, subscribe would be a great epic. So that's it for now. Thank you.